Hello students, as you are observing on board, in this video we are going to discuss about finding the square root of decimal number by using long division method. As I told to you earlier that this method is very useful for finding any type of square root. So let's start to check that how we can find out. I'm using the very first, a very smallest decimal number. It's a 49.7025. How we find this? How we find the square root of this decimal number? Hope this decimal is clear to you people. No, this is your decimal. Let me check on screen. Yes, it's a, so as I told to you earlier, we first for decimal for whole number part means left number having left hand side, we start to make pair from left to right. This likewise now this one, and after decimal we start from right to left, from here to here. 1 2, remember this thing. So again 7 7 ja 49, cancels each other. 7 7 14 as usual. Now we decimal is there, we place a decimal 70. Now what we, if we place any number even 0 which is greater than 70, so we use one more 0 and 0 over here. What happened? It's 0 0 0, so it's a 140 70 and then 25. So in this case if we use 5, so 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5 to 70. Now it's cancelled. So square root of this number, here we can write down square root of 49.0, sorry not 0, 7025 is equals to 7.05. Hope this is clear to you, how to find the square root by using decimal method, sorry, by using long division method. So move to the next question. Our next question, find out the square root of this decimal number. As I told to you, we make the pair first for the whole number part before decimal from left to right, and then after decimal right to left. Here 1 1 ja 1, we add 1 to 91. So check what we place so that 191 can easily divisible or near about to divisible. It's a 7, I think. 7 7 ja 49, 4 carry, 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 4, it's a 18. 11 minus 9, it's a 2, it's a 34. Now decimal is here, so we place a decimal sign and bring 72. So in this case it's a 0, again we have 340, it's a 272. Now we 64, 8 8 ja 64, 8 4 ja 32, 3 carry, 8 3 ja 24 plus 3 27. So it cancels. So square, from this we can write down that square root of 291.7264 is equals to 17.08. So this is your solution. Okay, we are going to find out the square root of this decimal number. If we see carefully, before decimal there is no number, only one zero is there, so leave as it is. Then we make the pair. No, so first, for the first pair of 0, it's a 0 decimal. We place 0, so 0 0. Now we have 3, so 1 1 ja. It's a 2, it's a 2, now 3 1. So here we have to find out let's check what we can write down. It's a 9. I think it's a 8. Just see, 8 and again 8. 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 6 22. It's a 7. It's a 36. If we place 2 over here, 2 2 are 4, 6 2 are 12, 6 7. So for likewise you can find out. We are using the same method that what we are using in divisor, same thing as a quotient. We add them, then again what we write over here, same thing we have to write down as a quotient, as same as previous one, but we have to point out the marking of after the decimal. So here we can write down square root of 0.000333124 is equals to 0.0182. Hope this one is clear to you. Now next question is, the area of a square field is 577.4409 square meter. Find the length of one side of the field. As we know that area of a square field is equals to side into side or side square. So if we find out the square root of the given area, we are able to find out the length. So here we are going to find out the square root of this number 577.4409. We are going to find out the square root. Now once again I am going to explain you the process of finding the square root so that you can easily understand the process. First we make them pair before decimal, we move from left to right and then right to left. That you know, 2 2s are whatever we are using as a divisor, we use the same number as a quotient. So it's a 4, it's a 1. Now what we place at this place, same number we replace over here and then we multiply the complete. How? Just check it. If we place 4 over here, then we have to place 4 over here also. Now we multiply 44 by 4, we have 176. 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 4 4 is 16, 117. 1 cancels each other. Now again this 4 must be added. So what we have? 48. Now again we have a space. Place a decimal sign is here. Decimal sign 44. But if we place any single 0 there, then this is smaller. So we place a 0. This is 0. It's a 144. It's a 480. Now again we have a space, but we have to bring this 9, this 09. So let's see. Now in this case, if we write 3, so 3 also must be there. So 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 3 0, 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, cancels. So square root of this number is equals to 24.03. So therefore one side equals to 24.03 meter. Hope this one is clear to you and you are able to understand how to use long division method for finding the square root. Move to the next question. Now in this question it says that find the square root of the given numbers correct to 2 decimal places. I am picking one very common number. It's a 512 and I am going to find out the square root correct up to 2 decimal places. See here there is no decimal number, so we pair it from left hand side. 2 2s are 4, 1 1 2 2, it's a 4. If we place 2, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8, 10 minus 2, 28, it's a 44. Now there is no more number, so we have to place a decimal and make one pair of 0, place a decimal over here and bring down the 0. So what we place over here, check. 6 4s are 24. Okay, if we place 6, then 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 2 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2 26. We can place 6 over here. 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 2 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2 26, 4 2 1. It's a 4 5 2. There is a one more decimal required, so one more zeros are there. What we put? If we put 3 or 2, let's check. So here we can multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 1 9. So it's a 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 4 5, 3, 12 minus 3. So 4 5 2 4, 3 3 5 6 there is there. So we must add 2 more zeros. Always remember, if any decimal place is given, that in this case correct up to 2 decimal places. So it's better to find out the square root up to 3 decimal places, one more, so that you can easily give the answer. So in this case we can use 8. Let's check. 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry, 8 4 ja 32, 32 plus 6 38, 3 carry, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 3 19, 1 carry, 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 1 41, 8 4 ja 32, 32 plus 4 36. It is, so it is more, so we can use 7 over here. Now if we use 7, so 7 7 ja 49, 4 carry, 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 4 32, 3 carry, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 17, 1 carry, 7 5 is 35 plus 1 36, 3 carry, 7 4 is 28 plus 3, it's 31. Okay, so near about is 22.627. So here we can write down 512 is equals to 22.627 approx, or we can say 22.63 approx. So this is your solution. Likewise, you have to find out the square root up to given decimal places. Now in this video's last question, finding the square root up to 3 decimal places of a given rational number. So given rational number, I am picking one rational number 3 upon 5. So first we convert them into decimal number, it's 0.6, and we are going to find out the square root up to 3 decimal places. It means what? We are going to move up to 4. So 0.6. Now we make the pair 1 2, we can add one more. Clear? So 1 2 3. It's a 7 7 ja 41, 8 8 ja 64, 7 7 ja. Though it's a decimal, so we have to use decimal. 7 7 ja 49. 1100. So what we write now? Next one, if we use 7 over here, so 7 also here. 7 7 ja 49, 4 carry, 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 4 32, 3 carry, 7 1 ja 7, 7 plus 3 10, 1 9 minus 2 7. Clear? Cancels. Two more zeros are there, so check. Can we use 5? No, we can use 4. 4 4 ja 16, 1 carry, 4 4 ja 16, 1 17, 1 carry, 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 1 21, 4 1 ja 4 2 6, 6 1 7 6, 4 2, 10 minus 1 9, 1 5 4 8. We can use 2 more zeros, and let's check here. If we use 8 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry, 8 8 ja 64, 64 plus 6, it's a 77 carry, 8 4 ja 32 plus 7 39, 3 carry, 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 3 43, 8 1 ja 1, plus 12, it's more than 8. Let's check. So here we have to use 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 42, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24, 5 5s are 25, 25 once again, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 2 4 carry, 5 4s are 20 24, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 27, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7. Now 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 2 7, 30 minus 4 it's a 9, 11 minus 4 it's a 7 1, whatever it is given. So the square root of 0.6 is equals to 0.7745, but it's up to decimal places 775 approx. It's also approx. So hope this one is clear to you. That's all for this video. Remember, the next exercise not in your syllabus, because that is finding the square root from a table. That is not in your syllabus of your first unit exam. That's all for today. All of you try to complete exercise 3rd C in your fair copy.